Alright, you guys, so after I finished the cam upgrade on the pedals right here, so I set them up with my drum kit, and right away I've noticed difference. It's a lot lighter. It feels though I don't have to use a lot of power to get a nice solid hit. My heel and toe technique, you know, they still adapt pretty well. So let's hear how it sounds like. So there you go, you guys. It feels pretty good. I had a lot of trouble with the rolling glide for the last more than 7 years. I was not able to get used to it. This one I was able to adapt to it quite fast. I hope this helps you guys if you guys want to mod your pedals.